Good morning. This is Renuga. I am working as an assistant professor in Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. I belong to Business Administration Department. Actually, in this video, we are going to discuss about the excise duty. In previous video series, we have to discuss about the some type of taxes, what is called direct tax, indirect tax, what is the difference between direct and indirect taxes. So these and all we discuss in earlier video. Now we start with the excise duty. Okay, so excise duty, this is actually it's a play a vital role in the economy and makes a significant contribution to the nation. Actually, in India, the tax structure it should be encompasses in a way of some different category of taxes and duties such as excise duty, customs duty. So these ways we have to categorize. So some different category of indirect taxes we have to discuss under this video. Actually, that streamline the process of paying taxes and claiming returns. It is actually the essential for individual person whose income comes under a taxable some bracket to become familiar with the different type of taxes and different duties. Okay, what is called excise duty? So, the excise duty is a tax levied on domestically produced goods. So, domestically means is nothing but within India, those who are going to manufacture all the item. So, that all items should be levied by the government. So, that particular tax is called excise duty. Students, please be clear that domestically is nothing but within India we are either manufacturing or producing a goods. Okay. In general, actually the taxes charged on their production and sale is also known as CENVAT. Okay. So the CENVAT is nothing but what is the full form? Yes, the central value added tax. Okay, that actually the excise duty is an indirect form of taxation and is collected from a customer by a retailer. Who is going to collect the tax? It's the retailer or any intermediary. Okay, so that through some intermediary or the some based on the channel they are collecting the taxes from the end customer and remit to the government. That is called the excise duty. Clear? Then next we move to the types of excise duty. So what are the types under the IT Act as per the excise duty? In the sense we are having a some three category. Okay, first one, it is a basic excise duty. Actually, it's a type of excise duty is levied on goods that become under the schedule, the list of schedule as per the Excise Tariff Act, the year 1985. So these all it's imposed on all excisable goods except salt. Okay. Some of you ask doubt why the salt is not coming under the excise duty. Okay. Actually, the salt is who is prepared that? It's a by nature only it is created. Okay, no one they are manufacturing a salt. Okay, by nature only it is created as a salt, so that's why it is coming under the exception. So except salt, that remaining all are the item those who are produced within India, that all will be imposed the tax by the government. Okay, the next additional excise duty. Actually, this duty is levied on all goods that are scheduled under the section 3. Okay. So, this taxes collected shared between the both government, that is a state and central government, they have to levy it instead of the collecting the sales tax. Okay. Next, third category is special excise duty. Actually, under this category, the tax is levied on those goods listed under the second schedule of the excise tariff act. That is some banned items. That is pan masala items, some alcoholic items. These are all coming under the special excise duty, or sometimes we call it as a tobacco products. Okay. Next, we move to what are the eligible person, who is going to eligible person to pay the excise duty. Okay. First one, those who are manufacturing a goods within India. The next, the entities who got the goods in manufacture by hired labors. Okay, hired labors is nothing but it's the contract labors. Then third, the entities who have goods in manufactured by other parties. That is, they have to get the work from the other job work. Likewise. Okay. Next, we move to the what are the implication? Suppose if the excise duty is not paying, what is the implication? There's nothing but as per the Excise Act, individual are supposed to pay penalty in the form of fine. Otherwise, they have to pay the penalty that ranges from 25 to 50 percentage of the tax evasion. Okay.